We are a global company. Today we are producing equipment that goes into 50 different countries, and we have an installed base of greater than 15,000 units worldwide. We're really pleased about our new manufacturing facility here in Rochester, New York. We moved in April of 2018 to support our existing business and growth worldwide, as well as meeting our strategic plan for the next 5 years. We are ISO certified here. We're proud of that, and that allows us to have continuous improvement into what we do every day. Experience the excellence is our brand promise, and that begins from our initial engagement with a customer. We receive their requirements, we review them. Our applications lab looks at a solution for our customer, and it really is a solution. We're not looking to just sell a piece of equipment, but really provide our customers with a solution that's going to bring maximum value to their business. Even after the sale, our service and support is the best in the industry. We respond quickly, and we work with our customers to get them back in operation as quickly as we can. In addition to that, we have the best reliability, some of the best reliability in the industry. That's demonstrated by our 2-year warranty. The lab is world-renowned, led by Garish Dahaki and his worldwide team. When I ask people why they're doing business with Ambrell, 9 times out of 10, the response is because of Dr. Dahaki. The customer would get our expert analysis and opinion of their heating requirements. We would take a sample of their parts, heat their parts for them in our lab, and then provide them an application video that they can review and subsequently discuss with our application experts. We get it right. We stick with our customers with a goal of creating a long-term partnership. From initial contact to interactions with our world-renowned lab, to delivery of our product, solution, and equipment, to our after-sales service and support through Ambrell Smart Care Service, you have our commitment to achieve what we call performance excellence in every interaction. That's why you should do business with Ambrell.